What are you searching for in Kashmiri is ts kya chuk chandan or ts kya chak chandan. Remember, when the word chuk is used, it means you are asking this question to a boy or a male. And whenever you use the word chak, the question is for a girl. And consequent to both these questions, our answers will vary. Let's see how. The general principle of answer to this question, kya chuk chandan, is buchus dash chandan. Buchus and chandan will always remain the same. The only thing that you will have to remember is the proper name of the thing or a person that you are searching for in Kashmiri. For example, Buchus Nokri Chandan. Buchus Nokri Chandan. I am searching for a job. Nokri in Kashmiri is job, and when you add Nokri to Buchus Chandan, it becomes I am searching for a job. Buchus Makan Chandan. Buchus Makan Chandan. I am searching for a house to live. Buchusan Sumit G. Chandan. Buchusan Sumit G. Chandan. I am searching for Mr. Sumit. Or if we are searching for someone who is younger to us, we would have simply said Buchusan Sumit Chandan. Buchus ye address Chandan. I am searching for this address. Buchus ye address Chandan. If the question that we heard was kya chak chandan, then we would simply replace chus from these sentences and the answer would be appropriate to the question that we have heard. For example, Butch has nokri chandan, Butch has makan chandan, Butch has Sumit ji chandan, Butch has ye address chandan. Now, if you remember the simple construction Buchus Chandan or Buchas Chandan, you can add any object or noun in between to make multiple answers to the question, what are you searching for? That was it in today's lesson. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye.